You asked for it, and here it is. Num Num Palace Crispy Microwave Shallots. Who said the microwave can't get things crispy? This recipe will prove you wrong. Simply add thinly sliced shallots and neutral oil to a deep Anyday dish, then microwave and cover for 5 minutes and check on them and give it a stir. If they're now golden brown, continue cooking in 1 minute interval. Carefully remove, then drain on paper towels, and while hot, season with salt. Then enjoy these over salad, steamed veggies, steamed fish, anything. Plus, the oil can be saved and used in other recipes or dressings.